Now, this model in Solstice Ridge, these two may not look like a whole lot from the front, but when you step inside, the views are amazing. So you have a nice pavered patio out front. And as we step inside, you have engineered hardwood floors, beautiful high beamed ceilings, gorgeous kitchen, waterfall edge counter, and the views. You know what I mean? I'm all about the views. Let's go outside. I want to show you this, and then we will come in and do the full inside tour. So we are sitting in Prescott Lakes. That over there is the beautiful Granite Dells that you have a perfect view of. And then we're overlooking Prescott Lakes, golf course, etc. Those lots under construction are part of this community. So those are the ones that are available, but they're actually getting close to sold out here. Let's go inside and take a look. So patio doors both open. I just did a little window there to step outside, but obviously both doors would open, give you a beautiful indoor-outdoor living. Coming into the kitchen and this breakfast room. So this is your dining, formal dining, eating kitchen, however you want to call it. Also has sliding glass door to go out to the patio, and all of these windows could open. You'll feel like you're out in the beautiful weather. And again, the views, spectacular. Now from the dining room into the kitchen, look at these upper cabinets and the way they lit them. Really pretty. So that's an upgraded option to put those uppers there. Farmhouse sink. Beautiful drawers and soft clothes, of course. Gotta meet those expectations. We have Bosch appliances. We have a 5-burner gas cooktop, French door refrigerator, and our oven microwave combo here. Also located off the kitchen. It's a nice big pantry. And the living room. So just look at this. Out that window, those sliding glass doors, I see golf course, I see hilltops, I see mountains, I see homes. These beautiful open skies. Stunning beam ceilings. So standard fireplace finishes go up to the mantle, but upgrade is to bring all the way up to the top. Beautiful shelving surround on each side. Let's step in this little nook here to the primary suite. And we have those gorgeous views, king bed, tons of room on either side. Also a patio door behind us that goes to that outdoor deck. We have a separate room for the toilet. Separate vanities. A really pretty shower and a freestanding tub. And we have 2 closets, which I love. So these closets don't have anything built in them yet. That's something that you can work on with the builder to make sure you get the right configuration here. And this also, they use some really large format tile. This is probably the 24 by 36 tile on the floor, which is also a beautiful luxury feature. And here we have perfect space for a linen closet. All right, let's see what else we have in this home. So again, coming out of the primary suite into the living space, I can see the Granite Dells through that window in the dining room. So here we have your coat closet. And then to the left is your powder room for your guests. And there's the entry that we came in. And then to the left here is just the garage and laundry room area. So here's your laundry room, washer, dryer, sink, and a nice big folding surface. It goes all the way back. And then over here we have another closet with some more shelves. And this, remember builder, lots of stuff probably. 3-car garage. All right. Going on the other side of the home, so we have an office here with double doors. So that's our sales office. And then coming down the hallway, we have another closet here. Lots of shelving available. Here is bedroom number 2. Guest bedroom, again with those gorgeous views. And the closet, this one does have the built-ins already. And now we're gonna have our second bathroom. Remember, we had the powder room and the primary bath. And this is your guest bell. Ooh, look at that tile. It's a fun little wave. Nice sliding glass door on the top. I like those types of barn door hinges. So that's your guest bathroom. And then this is the third bedroom. Little angled wall to the left. We have queen beds in these bedrooms. So there you go. That is the model. So we have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, plus an office, a gorgeous view deck, laundry room, 3-car garage. In the Prescott Lakes community, very convenient place to be. Okay, there you go. Another home tour. Beautiful home here in Prescott Lakes. So this builder, they're known for bright open floor plans. This particular model has a dedicated laundry room and mudroom. The chef's kitchen is gorgeous with Bosch appliances and all of those upgraded cabinets up above. I love that. The farmhouse sink, the black and white cabinetry with those gorgeous engineered wood floors. I absolutely love that in the design, as well as the beam ceilings in the living room and really nice high ceilings and a good sized laundry room and pantry as well. So the cooktop is 36 inches gas vented. Over here we have 12 and 10-foot high ceilings throughout the house. They typically use Pella windows and doors, so you know you're getting a really nice quality with that. So the home is pre-wired for ceiling fans throughout. I actually really also love the his and hers walk-in closets and the his and hers vanities in the bathroom. That is a really nice feature. If you have a really long, big vanity, sometimes I feel like those just get cluttered. 2 nice small spaces on either side are great. Now, this particular model is sold. However, it is the model. They have 6 lots remaining at the time of recording this video, and I have the inside scoop on where this builder is going next. So please remember to drop me a note if you are coming out to Prescott and you're ready to tour homes. If not, just go ahead and sign up below. You'll find my information. You can join the Prescott homeowner newsletter and just get a little bit of details. It'll show you what videos are coming up next, a little bit about what's going on here in Prescott. And I also like to feature some resale listings in there. So it's just a way to get to know Prescott a little bit better. And also obviously coming back here to YouTube is another fantastic way. So I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. I'm ODESSA KEILMAN with the Prescott Homeowner.